In case you didn't know, St. Maarten is the smallest island in the world that has two countries in it, the Dutch and the French. This flag is the Dutch flag. And this is the French flag for St. Maarten, or actually France. The same flag that flies over Martinique and France, Guadeloupe.
There are 3 ways to get into St. Maarten. You can walk, which is about a mile. You can get a taxi, and that's about $5 to $10 one way. Or you can take the water taxi, which is $7, which includes both ways for the whole day.
We're back in St. Maarten again. We've been here many times, and each time we come here, they have rebuilt a little more from the hurricanes a few years ago. The flag flying there, of course, is the flag for the Dutch side of St. Maarten. And we will journey on, see what there is to see on this beautiful island that we haven't seen before. Last time we were here, this church was pretty well beaten up, and looks like they've made the repairs to it. Except for this orangey coral color building, they still have some roof problem. And this is the Philipsburg market, where we seem to drop some money every year. This is the new government building for St. Maarten. The other one was pretty much destroyed by the hurricane 2 years ago. And apparently, from what I was told, this building was in the making prior to the hurricane. So they just moved the government building that was destroyed to here. And I will show you the destroyed government building momentarily. When in St. Maarten, this is my favorite place to visit. It's the post office. It's the new post office. The old one was destroyed back in the hurricane 2 years ago. Pretty much everything's new in St. Maarten.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.